Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel and today I am going to show you how to set up microphone in Windows 10. So I'll show you how to set up a Bluetooth external microphone. So what you have to do first is just turn on that Bluetooth microphone first. After this, just click on this start button and then click on this settings option. Now click on the devices option and now just turn on the Bluetooth so that the laptop can be discoverable. After this, just click on the add Bluetooth or other device option and click on first option Bluetooth. So this is the external microphone that I have connected. Just click on it. So the device is now ready to use. Just click on the done button and now just scroll down and click on sound settings, and in input type just click on this arrow icon and choose this microphone, external microphone that we have connected. Just choose this. Now scroll down again and click on sound control panel. So this is the headphone that we have connected. So my microphone can be used as a headphone also. Now just go to the recording tab and just select this headset. This is the Bluetooth microphone that we have connected. Just select it and then click on configure button. Now click on this setup microphone link and just choose the type of microphone. So my microphone is headset microphone. So I'll choose this and just click on next. Now just read these instructions and click on the next button. Now just read these lines to set up the microphone. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. After reading these lines, the next button will get activated automatically. Now click on next and click on finish. So now you have set up the microphone. Now whenever you want to use this microphone, just make sure that it is set as default device. And when you want to use the internal microphone, that is the system microphone, then just click on this and just click on this button set default. So whatever device you want to use, just make sure that it is set as default device. Some more things that I want to tell is that just double click on this microphone and now go to the levels tab. Always make sure that this levels should be at 100%. This speaker icon should be like this only. It should not be like this. So it should not be paused. It should be like this only. Now click on the OK button and now go to the playback tab. Now just click on this headphones, right click over it, and if you want to listen to the music in the Bluetooth headphone that you have connected, then just set it as default device. And now just double click on this headphones and then go to the enhancement tab. Make sure that these two options, bass boost and loudness equalization, these two options should be checked. After that, just click on the apply button and click on OK button. Now click on the OK button and close this. And now you have successfully set up your microphone. So this is how you can set up microphone in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.